Hello guys, how you guys doing? It's your boy Good Life, or you can call me David B. I hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are having a good week and hope you guys are having a good weekend. It's your boy David B, and guys, I'm sorry that this is going to be my first analysis for the week. I'm sorry I didn't bring up this analysis earlier. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't bring up this analysis earlier. So now, guys, I hope you guys had a good weekend and I hope you guys are trading well. The number one rule is for you to do what? Trade well. Trade well and trade responsibly. Well and responsibly, guys. Trade well and trade responsibly, guys. Now, guys, remember, guys, last week I posted an analysis on NAS100 telling you guys that you guys should get ready for a big buy on NAS100, guys. And I've been holding NAS100 for the past few days, and price has just been going in profit, coming down in loss, going in profit, coming down in loss, but I'm still holding the massive buy that's going to come. I'm still waiting for the massive buy that's going to come now. So let's do a breakdown on NAS100 again to see if we should still hold the buy or if we should get out of the buy, because this is like one of the worst swing trades I've held for the year. Guys. So now remember, guys, as a swing trader, what do? You scale from you do your top down analysis. You scale from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame and to the 4 hours time frame. So now on the monthly time frame, we use the monthly time frame for the overall direction of price. And what is the overall direction of price? Price is bullish. The overall direction of price is pushing to the upside, guys. Price is pushing to the upside. So now, since we have seen that price is pushing to the upside, what do? We now scale down to the weekly time frame to confirm what is going on. So now, let me kindly delete everything from my screen so that we'll start everything from the beginning to know exactly where price is heading to and where price is not heading to, in case we can see something very new. So now we can see that even on the weekly time frame, the overall direction of price is bullish. So now there is something else to see in my videos. I say on the weekly time, you use the weekly time frame to mark the recent highs at the recent low. On the weekly time frame, use the weekly time frame to mark the recent highs and the recent low. So now let's mark our recent high. I can see this is the recent high. This is the highest price has been, and now this is the lowest price has been for the week. I guess this place. Let me take here. This is the lowest that price has been for the week. Let me take it around here. So now, since we have done that right now, we are going to scale down to the daily time frame to adjust what we just did. Okay, now on the daily time frame we'll be adjusting it. Yep, we'll adjust it and then we'll adjust it. Now price is very much bullish on the weekly time frame and very much bullish on the daily time frame. Why do I say so? That price is very much bullish on the daily time frame. Now I always tell you guys that as far as price has not broken, you don't just rush in for a sell. As far as price has not broken below this level, price is still in between of the weekly highs and the weekly low. As far as price has not chosen a direction yet, we can't do nothing right now. So now you can see that price on the weekly time frame, on inside of this weekly highs and lows, have not broken below, and also price inside of this weekly highs and low have not broken above. So whatever we do, we still stay bullish because the overall direction of price is bullish. As far as price has not broken below here, there's no room for sell for me. So I still remain bullish. So now, how are we going to get our bullish trade? Because we don't have to wait for price to break above here before we can take a bullish. We don't have to wait for price to break above here before we can take a bullish entry. Because if you try that, you'll be holding a very massive stop loss. So now, how do we get in early? So now, inside of this weekly highs and weekly lows, I told you guys that I have noticed that price is creating what they call a symmetric triangle. Price is creating what they call a symmetric triangle inside of these weekly highs and weekly lows, guys. Price is creating what they call a symmetric triangle. So let's mark that. Price is creating what they call a symmetric triangle, and this was what it did. Now, why I am still very much confident about price going so bullish on NAS100 is because that when it comes to NAS100, and US 30 with S&P 500, they don't joke with structure. If they break structure, they have broken that structure. They don't joke with structure. So now we have identified our symmetric triangle on the daily time frame now. So now what are we going to do now? We're going to identify our levels, key levels, that if price will break above or price will break below, we are going to buy and we're going to sell. So now let me show you reason why I bought. I'm still holding a buy trade on NAS100, and I'm still going to be holding that buy trade. I'm not going to leave that buy trade alone till that buy trade profits me. Do you get that? You can't stress me this much and don't profit me. Now see, now this is the structure before all this that happened recently. This is the structure that we marked. You watch my previous videos and you see this happen. Now we mark this structure because price created this move, created all of this move, and then you can see that price created this structure. Now you can also see that price refused to come below, rather price broke above to create what they call a higher high, higher low, and a higher high, coming back for a retest to push back to the upside. Now the question here is that price didn't break below here for us to sell in a symmetric triangle. Remember I told you that there are two types of symmetric triangle. We have a symmetric triangle that leads to a reversal, and we also have a symmetric triangle that leads to a continuation. So now on this side we can see that price didn't break below so that we can sell, but rather price decided to break above this structure so that we can buy, telling us that yes, buyers are more stronger than sellers, which is very, 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 very nice. So now we go to the 4 hours time frame, and I want to show you guys what I saw that made me enter this trade, guys. So now at this level, I saw that price came and then broke above here with this candle, but at the end of this candle, at the end of the day, that same day, it came back and produced this long wick and then came back down again. But what made me enter this candle was the next bullish candle that formed, which was this one. And when I saw this candle form, I said yes, that this is the entry, because the whole day closed above this level, and I said yes, that is my entry, and I took a buy around there. Let's mark here. I took a buy around there, keeping my stop loss beneath here so that price can do whatever it wants to do. And price did this and pushed back up to the upside, guys. And immediately price did this, and immediately price dims like this and then push back to the upside. I've now adjusted my stop loss to this area, now allowing price to move, twist, and do what it wants to do. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that we got a confirmation of a break of counter trend line and also a break of structure with the close of these two candles. Here, let me shift this. With the close of these two candles, let me highlight them. So you can see that we have all confirmations and all confluence that price is ready for a buy on NAS100. Now these two candles, one, and let me see if I'm adjusting it clearly. What's wrong with you? Yeah, 1 and 2, these two candles. That was what triggered my buy. Yes, that was what triggered my buy. And guys, I'm still holding a buy on NAS100, guys. And this trade is currently still very, very early. And please, if you want to join this trade, please join this trade as quick as possible so that you won't be left behind. Because trade entries wait for nobody. Yes, trade entries wait for nobody. So now let's keep it away. It was before. Yeah, let's keep it away. It was before. And also, this swing trade is going to be a very, very massive one. This swing trade that I'm holding right now is going to be a very, very massive one. I mean massive, is going to be very, very massive. Like, I'll be holding it for so long that even me, I don't even know when it's going to end, when I'm going to stop holding price. Exactly. So now, I guess my level target, let me go to the weekly time frame and check for my level target. Let's see where our level target is. Okay, let me set it again. Yeah, I'm going for a 100% retracement target at 100% retracement target at my first level, and then I'll be going for this level as my second level. So this swing trade is going to be so long, and all I'll be doing is adding positions. I'll be adding positions to it. So now you can see that we have all confluences that NAS100 is going for a buy. We have all confluences meant that yes, NAS100 is going for a buy. And guys, if you want to hop on this trade, guys, today is what? Today is Tuesday. Price is still looking very juicy and very early. Price is still looking very, very juicy and very early on this. So now let me adjust, take my ear to there. So now that's the level I'm going to be looking at price now. So now that is the reason why I am still holding my buys on NAS100, because guys, I am very, very sure that yes, because now if you look at the structure that's going on here, you can see that price created a higher high, higher low, and pushed back up again for a highs, and now price at this area has broken our counter trend line. With this candle has broken our counter trend line and also broken structure and closed above, and the daily time frame also had a candle that closed above. That's this big bullish candle that closed above. So now that was the confirmation for me. And guys, I'm still holding, and how it's going to be, how it's going to turn out, I'll give you guys the big updates on this trade, guys. So now that is it for NAS100. That is it for NAS100. And guys, if you really want to watch the whole breakdown, like right now I'm just giving you a brief summary, but if you really want to watch the whole breakdown of NAS100, dive into my channel and check out those videos, and believe you me that you're going to learn something from it, guys. Whether you're a pro trader, you're an amateur trader, or whatsoever you are, just dive into my channel and you're going to learn something from it. So now let's dive to the next pair. I want to give you guys an update on gold trade that we took, guys. I want to give you guys an update on gold trade that we took here. I want to give you guys an update. Now you can see that gold has hit TP1 and TP2. Oh my god, gold has hit TP2, guys. Gold has hit TP2, guys. I was holding this trade when it hit our TP1. I was holding it when it hit our TP1, guys. I broke even and then I secured some profit, and right now, guys, gold has hit TP2, guys. Guys, what are you doing? Are you sleeping on your fucking hands, guys? Are you sleeping on your fucking hands? Guys, I give you guys the best of the best analysis, guys. Nobody will come and give you this for free. I remember when I posted this trade and then I asked you guys what's my thoughts on it, and you guys said nothing. But guys, look at it now. Look at it now. This is gold. This is gold. This is gold pushing to the upside already, guys. This is gold pushing to the upside. Gold has broken our TP1 and gold is heading for our TP2. What are you looking for in trading? Tell me, what are you looking for? This year, I've told you that this year there's going to be a lot of massive opportunities, and if you guys don't trade it, guys, it's just going to go to waste, because price is going to be so straightforward this year. And guys, you can clearly see that yes, with all confluence made, guys, I give you guys, just take a look at my screen. So simple, no indicators, nothing, but I give you guys exactly where price is going to, and price goes there exactly. I tell you guys exactly where price is going to, and price goes there exactly. Now you can see on my screen, I told you that gold is going to come 100% retracement target, and we're going to be looking at the second target for our, oh my god, we're going to be looking for the second level for our TP2, guys. And now you can see that this is a swing trade. This is the 4 hours time frame. That's to tell you that we don't joke here, guys. Good life is not here for a joke. I told you that this year I'll be giving you guys back-to-back analysis, and if you did not take this trade, I'm sorry, you've just missed out. So now go back to NAS100, guys. Focus on NAS100. Take NAS100 trade, guys. Take NAS100 trade, because guys, NAS100 is going to go to the upside. NAS100 has broken our counter trend line, broken structure, and all confirmations met. And NAS100 is going to push vigorously to the upside. And this time I'm not going to wait for you. And because right now this trade has been stalling, maybe why it has been stalling is because it's waiting for you guys to hop on it. Hop on this trade, guys. Guys, if you missed gold, guys, just take a look at how juicy this trade is, guys. Just look at how juicy this trade is, guys. What do you mean, guys? Just look at how juicy this trade is. I guess after this trade, I'm going to go and get myself something nice. And then just look at how juicy this trade is. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Only me can do this. Check the whole of YouTube. You won't see a swing trader that is using just normal price action. They are all SMC traders. They are all ICT traders, smart money concept traders, like pure trend lines, resistance and support, guys. We get the market as clear as possible. Shout out to Dapo Willis, the big name in the game, that's also trading like this. But the rest, they are not trading like this. They are lying to you guys, telling you guys that, yeah, liquidity this, liquidity that, when you can just go forward and just, all this liquidity, you need to buy extra tools to be able to confirm that yes, there's liquidity at this area. But when it comes to support and resistance, you don't need to buy extra tools in case you're a trader that don't have enough money. You don't need to buy extra tools. You just need to go straight forward to the business, and then you have gotten your trade. And I wonder why people are just stressing around and beating around the bush. So now that is it for gold, and I am so happy that I'm on this trade, guys. So now that is it for gold. So that was the update I want to give you guys on gold, and that was the update I want to give you guys on gold, and that was the update I wanted to give you guys on NAS100, guys. So now stay tuned and let's see how NAS100 is going to play out. Let's see how NAS100 is going to play out. And also, guys, I'll be dropping another analysis on US30, but I think not now. Maybe when I'll be making my next video. The only pair I'm right now focused on is NAS100, guys. So now, guys, let's put our energy and then let's see the outcome of NAS100 now, guys. So now it's your boy Good Life, or you can call me David B. Do well to trade well this week, make good profit this week, and enjoy yourself. That is very necessary. Enjoy yourself and tune into my channel, subscribe to the channel, give my channel a thumbs up, and then it encourages me more to make more videos like this for you guys, because this year I promised myself that no matter what, I'm giving you guys back-to-back content like this trade I'm dropping right now. So all you have to do is just open your MT5, open your MT4, whatsoever you're using, what platform you're using, and just put the coordinates of this trade. Just put the coordinates of this trade and then hop on this trade like I'm doing right now. And then trade it wise, because the swing trade risks little. Because if you risk little, you are going to gain more, because the trade is a very long-term trade. The trade is going to be a very long-term trade. You can see the distance that we still have to cover. It's going to be a very long-term trade. So the only thing you have to do is just fund the amount that you know that you can risk and you can lose. So that is it for your boy. And also I want to wish you guys a good trading week, and also peace out, guys. Ciao, enjoy yourself.